These days, I think time is very limited. People think, oh, I don't have meditation, but I will have tomorrow. Or not today, but tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes.
For people who want to get started, who are just struggling with quieting their mind, what would you recommend as the first meditation to begin with to help somebody who's just starting?
I would say you need somebody who have been meditation, who's qualified meditation training, and then you need somebody to teach you. And that's, I think, important. If you can find either internet or local, wherever, it's
Okay.
important to somebody give you instruction. And then you step one is the meditation is we call the calm abiding meditation, Jini, which means like force your mind to calm and still. And in order to do that, one instruction is breathing. Calm your breathing. And to calm your breathing, then calm your mind. So forget it. Try to focus your mind to control. Just focus your breathing. So even when the breathing, I can feel breathing go up to the head and then going down.
Mm.
When you stress, when you thinking too much, my breathing doesn't going more deeper, just shallow in the chest area. But I consciously try to bring into my belly where breathing all the way to belly and out, in and out. And maybe like you can do, I training people for 21 times. In and out, one, in and out, two, in and out, three. You count like that. But sometimes what happens is you forget your mind wandering somewhere else. You forget even what you're counting. You have to be present with the breathing. If you forget it, oh, like let's say you counting say 12, you reach to 12, number 12, but you don't really remember what exactly, you weren't there with the breathing. You have to be breathing your mind together kind. And then what you have to do, discipline, say, okay, I'm going back. Start all over again. In, out, one, in, out, two, in, out, three, like that. You come in. And then something took off our mind. So if you remember, then again go back. If you can do like that slowly, discipline, and then if you can make up to 25 without wandering your mind and be fully present with your breathing, you're a different person. Now you can pass one level of meditation.
Okay.
So if you cannot do that, that's okay too. To try to go back forth, what you can do is go out all the way 25, then again start another set, three sets of 25. If you can do that, I think easy for any level, anybody with meditation is really good. That I would
That's
recommend, kind of,
yes, it's
for the
that's
beginners.
very good. I like that because it's a nice simple technique to understand. Focusing on your breath and feeling it, traveling throughout your head and
Yeah,
body. But have a goal. Try to get to that 25 mark. And
exactly.
practice.
That's
You can reach for it like you're developing a skill, a sport, and
right.
commit like you're committing to the golf ball.
Yep,
Commit to that breathing
yep.
and try to go for that 25. And even better, get a teacher, get an experienced teacher to help you through that.
It's very important. Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing I would say, meditation is a commitment, also routine. And don't worry too much. Just sit committed, maybe 5 minutes. These days, I think time is very limited. People think, oh, I don't have meditation, but I will have tomorrow. Or not today, but tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes if you don't take it right now. There's always time if you can do it. Either 5 minutes in your car, either even in the
Mhm.
your office or in your room or meditation bedroom. Doesn't matter, somewhere you just sit there and say letting go, drop everything, just focus your breathing for 5 minutes is
5
no
minutes. We can all do
lots,
5 minutes. We can all find
exactly.
five
All
minutes.
you need are 5 minutes. They're here, there, 5 minutes, and after your feelings of your tightness, if
Hmm.
you check, you were feeling different, you're thinking different, you're really being so much different than
Yes.
before you meditate. Yeah, that's what I think. I'm really, really hoping that the people do it more
Hmm.
to caring their own health and also loving and giving, that they can also have ability to giving those who needs health in
Yes.
the world.
Fantastic. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, energy, thoughts. A really fascinating time.
You're welcome. Okay, you too. Say hello to your family. We will see each other
Okay.
later.
Right.
Okay.
You
Bye
take
bye.
care. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.